SCX24 overview. What I've done, I got, instead of body clips mounts, I got Velcro. And down here for electronics, I got my Ovonics 1000 milliamp 2S. Velcro body mount that I 3D printed. Let's see if we can get a better. There we go. I got some 2 1/4 ounce wheel weights on my servo, and the servo is a 9 gram AGFRC metal gear servo. I got 2 of them on Amazon for 18 bucks. Still got the stock wheels and tires, but I have the Treal steering knuckles. They're brass. I forgot how much they weigh. In the front, let's go back here. Still got the stock ESC. Did some wiring for different battery plugs. And here is my FF050 motor. I think it's the same as the Barrage motor. I scavenged it off a car stereo, of all things. And I got a 3D printed rock slider on one side. On the other side it broke off. I gotta reprint those, but I got Velcro on here. I have 1S batteries, so I can put one on either side and hook them up. And then I also have, I don't know if you can see those. Let's see if I can get in there. Got brass. There we go. Got brass. They're like airhose fitting. I got them from Harbor Freight. Come down for some weight in the back. So this is my first test run on the rocks with a new motor. Just did that last night, so let's check it out.